Hello everyone, today we will talking about TP 1.2 and 3 on MATLAB and SIMULINK, using transfer function and some special orders on MATLAB.
Mastering system design with transfer functions and ZPK in SIMULINK. In the world of control systems, understanding transfer functions and zero pole gain is crucial. These elements are the backbone of system design. They allow us to model systems with incredible accuracy, using functions like feedback, parallel, and series to shape our designs. This control is vital. In our second tutorial, we delve into SIMULINK. We start with first-order functions, exploring their simplicity and foundational role in control systems. Then, we graduate to the more complex second-order functions. SIMULINK's environment enables us to visually comprehend these functions. Using tools like STEP, TF, and Scope, we can directly observe our system's behavior. The Scope tool is particularly useful. It provides us with graphs of our functions, turning abstract concepts into clear visual representations. Through this approach, we gain a deeper understanding of how our system designs are influenced and controlled, paving the way for innovation.